Hey everyone, it's Ryan, and today we're going to talk about recovering the brain board. Are you having brain board issues or errors that pop up like this? It says trouble communicating, unable to communicate with machine. Please contact GoFab CNC. If so, I'm going to show you how to download the tool to reprogram your brain board.
First thing you want to do is go to the gofabcnc.com website, and then you're going to go down here and click on software. Let it load, then you're going to go all the way to the bottom. Right here where it says click here to visit our update page, we'll click on that. Let it load, go to the bottom, and then we're going to download this software repair kit. Once it downloads, then we're going to open it, and we're going to go to the first one where it says Xloader, and it's going to be a folder. Then we'll go to the very bottom and click on xloader.exe. It's going to ask you to extract all, so we're going to do that. And then you can save it anywhere you want. Just hit extract. Now you've got another folder, and it has these three. You're going to go to the very bottom one where it says Xloader, and then go all the way to the bottom again where you see this black X, and it's xloader.exe. That's the tool we're going to use. So we'll click on that, and boom, here's the tool that we're going to use right here. I'm going to minimize everything.
At this time, you're going to pull the brain board from the brain panel and plug it into your computer. You're going to take this cord, which is a USB type B, and you're going to plug it into your brain board, and then you're going to take the other end, which is a regular USB, and you're going to plug that into your computer. These are what the lights look like on the brain board before the upload. On the Xloader here, on the very first one, it says hex file. It should already be there, but if it's not, you'll click over here on this and then click on that, and it will bring it in. On the device section, you always want it on the Mega 2560. So if it's on something else, just go ahead and click this and go down to the bottom right there. Alright, so you're just going to make sure that you're on the right COM port. So we'll click on that and click on the available COM. And don't worry, your COM port number will be different from mine. There will only be one available to you, so select that one. And make sure your baud rate is 115200, and then click upload. Looking back at the brain board, you'll notice the lights are flashing now. When they stop flashing, the upload is complete. You have now loaded the GoFab software 2.0 onto the brain board. You can now unplug your brain board and hook it back up to the brain panel. 2.0 lets you reconnect to the tablet. When connected, the tablet will ask you to update the table to the same version, and that's exactly what you'll want to do. Then you're on your way to making cuts. Have a blessed day.